our first question is 32 multiplied by 3. You all should know how to read the question. So first one is 3 to 32 multiplied by 3. I hope you all remember that this is multiplication symbol, right? So you have to read that symbol also. So the question is 32 multiplied by 3. Okay. Now, whenever we are multiplying two numbers, we always start with the ones place. We always start with the ones place. Now we have to multiply this number 32 by 3. We have to multiply this number 32 by 3. So whatever is the number beside multiplication symbol, we will recall table of that number. Okay? Whatever is the number beside multiplication symbol, we will recall table of that number. Here beside this multiplication symbol, number is 3. Number is 3. So here we will recall table of 3. Fine. Now we have to recall 3 table how many times? 2 times, because here in ones place number is 2. Okay. We will recall table of 3 here how many times? 2 times, because here in ones place we have 2. Okay. So 3 2s are how much? We will be writing that here in ones place. AVK Ganesh, unmute yourself and tell me 3 2s are? AVK Ganesh, you need to unmute yourself. 3 2s are?
3 2s are 6.
Very good. So 3 2s are 6. So we will write 6 in ones place. Now next. Yes, now we will multiply this 3 with the number in tens place. AVK Ganesh, what is the number in tens place? What's the number in tens place?
3 ma'am.
Yes, so 3 3s are?
9.
Good. So we will be writing 9 in tens place. What is the answer?
96.
Yes, so answer is 9 6 96. So we will write here 96. Okay. Now, next. CA Shreyan, please unmute yourself and read second question.
Okay, ma'am.
Go there. 1 second. Oh, come on. Second question.
6 4s are
60.
2.
You need to read question first.
6 6 6
Why are you not reading it? Reading.
64
Hmm.
into 2.
Very good. So this is 64 into 2, or you can say 64 multiplied by 2. Okay. So we will recall which table?
4 table, ma'am.
You have to look at the number which is beside multiplication symbol. So what is the number?
2 table, ma'am.
Yes, beside this multiplication symbol, we have 2 here. So we will recall 2 table. Yeah. So in ones place, what we will write?
2 4 are 6, ma'am.
2 4s are?
2 4s are?
6, ma'am.
Yeah.
Recall 2 table.
2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8.
8.
So what we will write here?
8, ma'am.
Yes. You will recall 2 table 4 times, because in ones place we have 4 here. So 2 4s are 8. Yes. Now next. In tens place, what do we have?
2 6 are, ma'am.
We have 6 in tens place. So we will recall 2 table 6 times. So 2 6 are how much?
2 1s are 2.
Recall 2 table.
2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12.
2 6 are?
12, ma'am.
Yes. So here what we will do, we will write 2 in tens place and 1 will go as carry over in hundreds place first. And then we will write this 1 in hundreds place, because in hundreds place we don't have any other number. So we will write this 1 in hundreds place as it is. Now what is the answer?
128, ma'am.
Yes, good. So answer is 128. Tanishka,
Yes, ma'am.
Tanishka, please read third question.
38 multiplication. Hello, ma'am.
Tanishka, read properly and read again.
That 38 multiply 5.
38 multiplied by 5. Okay, so we will recall which table?
5 table.
Good, we will recall 5 table here. Yes, so 5 eights are? Recall 5 table 8 times.
5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 5 3 the 15, 5 4 the 20, 5 5 the 25, 5 6 the 30, 5 7 the 35, 5 8 the 40, ma'am. 5 8 the 40.
5 eights are 40. Very good. So we will write here 40 or we will write 0?
4. 4, ma'am.
We will write here 4. And what about that 0? 4 0 40. So where we will write 0? See here. 5 eights are 40. So what we will do, we will write only 0 in one's place and 4 will go as carry over in tens place. Okay, you cannot write 4 0 40 in one's place. You will write only 0 in one's place and 4 will go as carry over in tens place. Okay, Tanishka?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah, next 5 threes are?
5 3, 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 5 3 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 5 3 the 4. 5 3 the 15, ma'am.
5 threes are 15 and we have this 4 here as carry over. So we will be adding this 4 with 15. So 15 plus 4?
15 plus 4. 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, ma'am.
Yes. 15 plus 4 is?
19.
So we will write 9 here in tens place. Then again 1 will go as carry over in hundreds place. Yeah. 1 will go as carry over in hundreds place. And then we will write this 1 as it is in hundreds place. What is the answer, Tanishka?
190, ma'am.
Yes, answer is 190. Good. That's correct. P. Shreyan.
Sian, listen, man. Sian! Sian! Come on, listen to me. Ra!
Shreyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Shreyan, please read fourth question.
Hundreds, tens, 64 multiply by 6.
64 multiplied by 6. Okay, so we will recall which table quickly.
6 table.
Good. So 6 fours are?
6 1 6, 6 2 2, 6 3 18, 6 24. 24.
So what we will do? We will write here 24 or we will write here 4?
4.
Yes, and 2 will go as carry over in?
Tens.
Very good. Yes, children. 6 fours are 24, but we will write here 4 and 2 will go as carry over in tens place. Okay, fine. Yes, now 6 6 are
3.
6 6 are 3.
36.
6 6 are 36. Yes, and 36 plus 2, we need to add this 2 also. 36 plus 2 is
8.
38. Yes. So what we will do now? We will write here
8.
yes. Answer is 38, but we will write here 8 and 3 will go as carry over in hundreds place. Right, Shreyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now what we will do? Now write this 3 as it is in hundreds place because there is no other number in hundreds place. What is the answer?
3. 300.
300 and yes, Shreyan. Supratik. Supratik. Supratik, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Supratik, what is the answer? Huh? Yes, what is the answer? Supratik, please read answer. I'm talking about fourth question. Supratik, there is some network issue. Please check your network. Shreyas. Shreyas. Shreyas, unmute yourself. Shreyas Rao. Shreyasan.
Yes. Ma'am,
Yeah, what is the answer?
which one?
Fourth question. Fourth question.
For E1.
Yeah.
On 1.
What is the answer? I'm talking about fourth bit. That is bit D. Look at your screen. Answer is there. You just need to read that number.
D.
This is 384. How you will read 384?
Ma'am, 384.
Yes, this is 384. Good. Now read fifth question. Quickly.
Fifth question. No, 11, 6.
Multiplied by
11 multiplied by 6.
11 multiplied by 6. Yes. Now we will recall which table. Quickly.
Ma'am,
Yes.
6 table.
Yes,
6
six table.
ones are 6.
6 ones are 6. Yes, we have 1 in ones place, so 6 ones are 6. Yes, and what we will write in tens place?
Tens place 1, ma'am.
1, okay.
0.
0, good. Shri Hassan, what is the number in tens place?
6, ma'am.
In tens place, we have 1. Look at the question carefully. In tens place, we have here 1. So
Yes.
6 ones are how much?
6 ones are 6.
What is the answer?
66.
66, yes. Shrivas, please read next question.
Ma'am,
Last question.
31 1. 31 multiply 3.
By 3. Yes. Now which table?
With 3 table.
Good. Now tell me
3
what is
one,
it? Yeah, 3 ones are?
ones are 3.
Good. Now what we will write in tens place?
10 please, ma'am. 9.
Shri Hassan, when it was your turn, you were unable to tell properly. Now you are helping Shrivas. What is this? How he will learn? See children, in tens place we have 3. Okay, so this time we will be recalling 3 table 3 times. So 3 threes are 9. What is the answer, Shrivas?
Ma'am.
What is the answer?
93.
Yes, answer is 9393. Okay? Okay, fine. So we will do few more questions. I'll done 6 questions till now. Yes, if you have space, then you can continue in the same page. Otherwise, you can take new page. Please note down next question, children. Start writing. And you will be getting questions on multiplication as homework. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Yes, Supratik.
Ma'am. It is.
Huh?
It is homework, ma'am. This.
No. This is not your homework. You need to write this in your notebook. This is not your homework, children. I didn't say that this is your homework. I said that you will be getting questions on multiplication in your homework. That's it. I didn't say anything else. Yes, Triti.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
can you send blueprint in MCB?
Yeah, I'll be sending it very soon.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Pathan.
Ma'am, can you send MCB, ma'am, please?
Huh?
Can you send MCB, please?
Classwork.
Yes, ma'am. This class.
Okay. Yeah, I'll be sharing through MCB. Children, I'll be sharing classwork through MCB and I'll be sharing homework also through MCB. So kindly go through that. And I hope till now you all have completed your portfolio. Yes, I hope you all have completed your Theme 6 portfolio. And on 3rd, you all need to go. 3rd? Yeah. And on 3rd, you all need to go to school along with your parents, and you need to take all your Theme 6 course books and portfolio to school for physical correction. Fine? Yes, Aslan.
Ma'am, the school still hasn't gave me the portfolio pages.
What?
The school still hasn't gave me the course portfolio pages.
Did you ask them?
Yes, ma'am. That they asked, but they told they
Okay,
don't
no
have.
problem. This you can inform them when you'll go for physical correction. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank
You're welcome. Yes, Krishika, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, actually I'm out of session, so it will be online collection will be available.
No. Physical
I'm in
correction.
Haridwar,
Correction, Krishika. So
I will keep all the pages in online.
see this. I don't think that this is possible. But yes, your parents can discuss with the principal, ma'am. Okay. Yeah. Okay, children, we'll start now because physical correction means physical correction only. So you need to go to school. Fine. Pathan, please unmute yourself and read bit G. Pathan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read.
82 multiplied by 3 is
82
equal
multiplied by 3. Yes. So, which table?
to 8, ma'am.
8 table. Very good.
Oh, ma'am, 3 table.
Yes, we'll recall 3 table. Yes, 3 twos are.
6, ma'am.
So we will write 6 in one's place. Next.
3 1 got 3, 3 2 got 6, 3 2 got 9, 3 4 got 18, 3 6 got 18, 3 7 got. Ma'am, 72.
3 8 is 72. Pathan, quickly recall.
Ma'am, 24, ma'am.
Yes,
24.
3 8s are 24. So we will be writing only 4 here. And 2 will go as?
Carry over, ma'am.
2 will go as carry over in hundreds place. So what we will write in hundreds place now?
We will write 2.
2. So what is the answer?
246.
Answer is 246. Yes, this is the right answer.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Huh? Priyansika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next question. Read.
253.
Priyansika, what is the question?
100 tens ones, 253 is equal to.
This is not hundreds, tens, and ones. First of all, we are in tens and ones place only. I hope it's visible. This is 25. So how you will read 25?
25.
Yes. So why you are saying 253, Priyansika? Yes, 25.
3. Multiply by 3.
3. Yes, now which table? Pathan, I can see you are not at all writing.
5.
Yes, Priyansika, which table?
3 table, ma'am.
So 3 5s are?
50.
Only 5 here and 1 will go as?
Carry over.
Carry over in tens place. Now next. 5 table how many times?
2 times.
Yes, we have 2 in tens place. So we will, sorry. Yeah, we have 2 in tens place, so we will recall 3 tables. Sorry, not 5 tables. 3 table 2 times. Yes, 3 twos are
6.
6. And 6 plus 1?
7.
Yes. So what is the answer?
75.
Answer is 7575. Okay, good. Azlan, unmute yourself and please read next question.
Ma'am, bit I.
Yeah.
Okay. 16 multiplied by 3.
Good. Very good. So which table?
3 table.
Good. And what is the number in ones place?
6.
So 3 6 are?
3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 6 are 18.
Very good. So what we will write here?
8.
And 1 will go as?
Carry over.
In tens place. Good. Now next.
1. In tens place, 1 will come. 1 1 multiplied by 1.
No. You need to recall 3 table 1 time.
3 ones are 3.
And you need to add?
4 1.
Yeah.
It
So
becomes 4.
yes. So what is the answer?
40.